In the previous video, you guys were given a quiz regarding slicing. So let's give it a try. So this was our list, L1, right? It contained 5 elements. So our task was to make another list, L2, by slicing L1 in such a way that we could get a resultant list. The resultant list was this one, L2. It should contain end, 9.6, and start. So if you have thought about it, then this is not at all difficult. All we have to do is, so we have to traverse this list from the end, right? From the end. And all we're doing here is taking a step of 2 rather than 1, right? So this was our resultant list. So let's try it. Is this how we do it, right? L2 equals to L1. And we just want to traverse the whole list from the end to the start, right? So we want to take a step of 2, but we have to take the step from the end towards the beginning, right? So we take a step of -2, and then we print out L2. And there we go. It was pretty easy, nothing at all difficult, and slicing is actually pretty cool, right? Yeah, so done with this one. I'll see you guys in the next quiz.